Hi guys, this is Rick here. I just wanted to take a moment to say that I'm very excited to share about an opportunity that I've had recently having an opportunity to be a part of. It's called the Miracle Social Media System, and it's been an awesome opportunity to connect with like-minded people, and you will generally have an opportunity to be able to grow your business, to grow your team, to learn some concepts that have been very dynamic for me. You learn some practical teachings that will enhance and grow any business opportunity. You'll learn how to actually create a six-figure formula to build any digital platform, any digital franchise. So I want to give a shout out to Dominique and to Aaron and to the mentors. I actually, because of their system, have been able to acquire 3 sales in one day. So this is a very, very powerful teaching platform. You'll learn about affirmations. You'll learn how to turn those affirmations into manifestation. So I'm very thankful, and I want to invite you to come and look at what we have to offer. This is a very, very awesome system, and glad to be able to share it with you also. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Thanks.